Hello guys, so welcome to KO Tutorials. So let's continue with the next part of this tutorial. So let's get started. So as you can see over here, we have started with the modeling of this particular coffee stall over here. So let's continue it. So we have started with it. So let's start. So now what I'll be doing over here is so it's taking time to create the small assets over here because there are few details over here. Now after that, let's take a box over here. I'll just take a box slightly. I'll just push this up. I'll remove this part, convert to editable poly. I'll go over here. I'll just put the swift loop, select the vertices and slightly shuffle it up over here. Select this edges, ring it, control and click on the polygons, and let's click on bevel by local normal. So I'll just slightly reduce the bevel if required, or else I'll just extrude it for now by local normal. Keep it in this way. Select the polygons and I can just delete it, or I can slightly insert this a bit and extrude it inside. And let's delete this. So now what I'll be doing over here is I'll just scale this, select this edges, push it a bit inside over here, select the polygons, shuffle it down, drag it over here. Now you can definitely smoothen it later. So first I'll just put some loops over here as required. So wherever is required, I can slightly put some loops. Now go into this, and if you try to give turbo soon, it's going to affect in this way. So I'll just put one loop over here, I'll put one loop over here, put over here, put over here, and let's give turbo smooth. Alright, that's getting much smoother now. So I'll just make a copy of this. I'll just scale it. Let's put it over here. These are some packets of some chips or wafers. Slightly I'll just scale it down. I'll just make a copy of it. Again, make copies. Just save the file. So again, I'll go over here and I'll slightly scale this and make a bit bigger. Shift and drag, make a copy of it. So let's go into file, view image file. I'll just take this billing machine reference over here. So let's take a box. So we're not going with much more details. Just take a box over here, convert to poly. So now select this, again take one swift loop. So put one swift loop over here, select the polygons, slightly extrude it inside, again take a box. So I'll just minimize this stuff. So let's create on top of it. So shuffle this up slightly. So convert to editable poly, and now again use a swift loop over here, select the polygons and extrude it up over here in this way. So let's select this edge, shuffle it down, and slightly I'll assign a bit of chamfer to it. Let's click OK. Let's try to assign a chamfer. So it's going to give. So you can just avoid this stuff, assigning a chamfer over here. So I'll again go over here and slightly I'll assign a chamfer over here, very less. Let's click in this way. So I'll just save the file. Now again take a swift loop, so select this edges, and let's give one connect over here. So I can slightly I can shuffle it behind. Again select this, slightly just push this behind as required. So you're not going with much details, it's not going to be visible. So let's again take a box over here. So shuffle it in this way, convert to editable poly and slightly bevel it. Let's click OK. Select this, slightly give inset. So let's give two connects. Select the polygons, or we can just select this edges. Let's give two connects over here. And slightly extrude it over here. So let's put one more swift loop. So I'll put one swift loop over here. and extrude it down. So let's again put one more swift loop. So select the polygons. I'll just select this polygons over here and slightly extrude it by local normal. So select the vertices and shuffle this down. Alright. So again go over here. Let's take a cylinder. Rotate this. Convert to poly. Now select this and extrude it. So I'll just end isolate this stuff. Oops, I can just rotate it. So let's just push this up. Select this polygon and extrude it up over here. And let's again go over here and let's take a box. Shuffle this over, it's looking too big. I can slightly just push this. Let's go to the top view over here and push it up and this way. Scale this. Alright. So guys, if any doubts, please put it in the comment section over here. So please like and subscribe my YouTube channel. So definitely it's going to take time because we're doing a lot of details over here. So please like and subscribe my YouTube channel. So we'll continue the rest of the part in the coming tutorial. So thanks for watching this tutorial.